Hey everyone, it's going to be a quick, easy video on how to sign up for the airdrop. Alright, so the name of the website is airdropalert.com, and you can find the link below. But you go to main menu, it's going to be under new airdrops, Sparkle, and it's going to show you what, kind of like a little summary of the airdrop. It's worth 29 Sparkle tokens, about $10. And it's for the first 5,000 airdrop participants. So very simple, how to join. You go to the Sparkle airdrop form. Fill it out with your appropriate information. Join Sparkle on Telegram, Discord, Twitter, retweet, and then follow them on Sparkle on Facebook and share any post. And then submit your ERC20 wallet. Contact address is going to be listed right here below as well. There's no referral program, no KYC, so just easy, free crypto. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you.